Today we are covering Microsoft Power Platform Functional Consultant PL-200. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Question is, you configure and test a user interface UI flow. You plan to run the flow as a scheduled flow. The UI flow must run on a Windows 10 device. As part of process automation, the UI flow must sign into the Windows 10 device with the credentials for a user account named User1. You need to ensure that the flow runs during non-peak hours and requires no physical user intervention. What should you do? Option A. Ensure that all user sessions are signed out except for logged user sessions. Option B. Ensure that all user1 account has an active user session on the device. Option C. Ensure that all user sessions are signed out. Option D. Ensure that there are no active user sessions on the device. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, you are creating a new business process flow to qualify leads. You create an action. The action is not available inside the action step. You need to make the action available to the action step. Which two steps must you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option A. Activate the action. Option B. Select Run as on-demand process. Option C. Add at least one step to the action. Option D. Ensure that the entity for the action matches the corresponding entity for the business process flow stage. Correct answer is option C and option D. Next question is, a company uses Common Data Service to manage prospects. The company has a business process flow named BPFA that is associated with the prospect entity to streamline the prospect management process. You add a field name category to the prospect entity. You create additional business process flows. You apply the business process flows to prospect records based on the selected category. Users can switch to any other newly configured business process flows but must not use BPFA. You need to configure the solution. What are two possible ways to achieve this goal? Option A. Remove all of the privileges of BPFA. Option B. Deactivate BPFA. Option C. Use a business rule to prevent users from switching to BPFA. Option D. Change the display order of the business process flows to move BPFA to the bottom of the list. Correct answer is option A and option B.